It may appear that I am in India right now in some city or town, but I am in fact thousands of miles away from the Indian borders and having one of the most cherished drink. That is one of the perhaps most popular drink in India as well. This is a cup of tea. But I am right now not in India. I am in Mauritius, and behind this stall that you are seeing is in the Indian Culture Center in Port Louis, the capital of Mauritius. And in fact, these wonderful ladies who are standing right behind me are running different kind of stalls here. They are also part of the Indian Culture Center, and we'll try and speak to them to understand that what is the significance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's arrival here in the country to be the chief guest of the National Day of Mauritius.
To maintain our Indian culture well coming from Mother India. Right. Somehow our India is our mother. So wherever we go, we spread. And once when we came to Mauritius, believe me, the Mauritius is, you never feel that you are out of India. It's a mini India. And especially many of them, they came from Bihar. Right. So they also maintain that Bhojpuri here. Right. Our association name is also Indian Mauritius Women's Era, where Indian Hindu and Mauritian Hindu all we get together and we promote our culture. Right. Today we are doing the fundraising because we are going to do Holi Mela on the Holi Day. Okay. So for that reason, we have selected our chai, which is very famous. Our Prime Minister, our Shriman Prime Minister, his arrival is speechless for us. Our emotions overflow. We are very happy, and as he has started his journey from the chai, so we decided to sell the chai today, especially to honor him.
I feel very proud he's coming here in Mauritius.
I'm personally very thrilled and happy that Modi ji is coming. It's we are waiting for him.
But I'm a member of the Indo-Maurice Women Era, which is a very proud moment for me that I'm here and I'm able to help. And regarding to the Modi arrival, we are all very happy because वो हमारे ये जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं है, ही इज लाइक आवर फैमिली, हमारा ही इज कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर, जैसे हमारा बरसों से कोई आ रहा है ना, ऐसा लग रहा है। मोदी जी की जय, भारत माता की जय।
You have it, people of the Indian diaspora here quite excited at the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it goes without saying, like the lady mentioned, like Dr. Shiksha mentioned, that it's not a question that whether the relation between the two countries will improve upon the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The relations have seen an upward trajectory in the last 10 years, especially under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, where he has been part of the national celebration of the National Day of Mauritius, and he's again coming to become the chief guest of the National Day of Mauritius, which is going to further enhance the relation between the two countries. With camera person Mahesh Sharma, Makshadungre, DD India.